You wake up, and your robot assistant has already cleaned the kitchen, prepped breakfast, and even folded the laundry all before you even had your first sip of coffee. Sounds magical, right? Hi, and welcome back to Mommy Has Solutions. Today we're diving into a fascinating and futuristic topic that's revolutionizing the way women approach household chores. Why women are thrilled about robots stepping in to handle household tasks. Stick with me as we unpack how these smart machines are turning dreams into reality, saving time, reducing stress, and adding a dose of joy to everyday life. Ladies, we all know the struggle. Balancing work, family, and personal time while managing a never-ending list of household chores. It's exhausting and sometimes overwhelming as well. But here's the good news. Robots are here to help. From cleaning and organizing to even cooking. They're lightening the load in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. Today, I'll take you through the world of household robots, how they're changing lives, and why women everywhere are celebrating this tech-savvy revolution. 1. The rise of smart home assistants. Let's start with where it all began, smart home gadgets. Think about how far we've come with devices like robotic vacuum cleaners, automated lighting, and voice-activated assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Now, imagine combining those technologies into one cohesive system. Robots like the Roomba don't just vacuum. Newer versions can map your entire house and schedule cleanings based on your lifestyle. And that's just the beginning. Companies are now introducing robots that handle multiple chores at once, like mopping, vacuuming, and even organizing clutter. 2. Kitchen helpers from prep to cleanup. One of the biggest time-draining chores? Cooking and cleaning up afterward. Robots are stepping into the kitchen too. Smart ovens that recognize ingredients and cook meals perfectly. Robotic arms that chop vegetables, mix ingredients, and even plate dishes. Dishwashing robots that load, clean, and unload themselves. These gadgets aren't just conveniences. They're game changers for busy women who want healthy meals without the hassle. 3. Laundry day simplified. Laundry is a chore many of us dread. But now, there are robots that sort, wash, dry, and even fold clothes for you. Take the Foldmate, for example, a machine that folds your clothes neatly in seconds. Imagine spending those extra hours reading a book, practicing yoga, or catching up on your favorite show instead of folding endless piles of laundry. 4. Robots as personal organizers. Ever felt overwhelmed by clutter? AI-powered robots can now act as personal organizers. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they can identify misplaced items, suggest storage solutions, and even create an inventory of your belongings. Think about the mental clarity that comes with an organized space. No more hunting for keys or stressing about messy countertops. Your robot has you covered. 5. Emotional and physical freedom. It's not just about physical tasks, it's about how these robots make women feel. Knowing the chores are handled allows you to relax and focus on things that truly matter, your family, career, or personal well-being. Plus, the mental load of constantly thinking about what needs to be done next is significantly reduced. 6. A healthier work-life balance. For many women, the constant juggle of work and home life takes a toll on mental and physical health. Robots are helping alleviate that pressure by taking over repetitive and time-consuming tasks. With robots doing the heavy lifting, women can finally carve out time for hobbies, relaxation, or even starting that dream project they've been putting off. Of course, there are concerns. Some argue that over-reliance on technology could make us too dependent or even reduce human interactions. Others worry about affordability and accessibility. But here's the thing, this is about choice. It's about having the option to use technology in a way that enhances your life and brings you closer to the things you love. Ladies, robots aren't just gadgets. They're tools of empowerment. They're helping women everywhere reclaim their time, reduce stress, and create more balanced, joyful lives. The future of household management is here, and it's bright, efficient, and designed with you in mind. What do you think? Are you ready to welcome a robotic helper into your home? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mommy Has Solutions. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any amazing updates. Until next time, stay happy, stay empowered,